Good morning and happy Pollinator Week, everybody. My name is Megan. I am the horticulturist of the Blomquist Garden of Southeastern Native Plants here at Duke Gardens. And today I want to talk a little bit about flowers that are particularly good for pollinators. Here we have Penstemon digitalis, or foxglove penstemon. And as you can see, it's got these really pretty white tubular flowers. It's very attractive to bees in particular, and they will kind of go up into the flower where there's nectar at the very, very back. And in the process, they'll get pollen all over their bodies, and when they go from one tube to the next, it will pollinate the flowers. This plant here is Anithera fruticosa. Its wide open floral parts are attractive and available for a lot more different types of insects. So you'll see ants on them, you'll see beetles, flies, as well as bees. So it's good to have plants that are kind of specific and also kind of generalist for different types of pollinators.